the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Google Play Store. So as you guys can see here, I'm on the instant gameplay section of the Play Store here. So this has been implemented into the Play Store as of today. So if you guys want to try out games before you install them, you can do it here. So far they only have 6 games available for this particular thing. So before you get started on this, you must have instant apps enabled on your device for this to work. Also, once you guys do all that, just go to the Play Store, scroll down until you see instant gameplay, and you guys should be greeted with the screen with the 6 games on there. The games that you guys will be able to try out for you install them are Bubble Witch 3 Saga, Words with Friends 2, Salitiare, Clash Royale, Mighty Battles, or Final Fantasy 15: A New Empire. Alright, so this is the game that they have available for this for now. I'm sure they'll add more games along the way. I'm hoping they will. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of gameplay here and see what it's like. So when you guys click on the game, click on say Word with Friends 2 here, and you guys will see Try Now. You click on Try Now, and it'll let you try out the game before you install it. If you guys like the game or whatever, so you hit Try Now. This will pop up, and you'll see a little lightning bolt ending on the top of your screen there, and that means that you're in instant apps mode there. So as you guys can see right there, hit let's play. So yeah, cut down the sound here. uh let's see. Sec. And the idea of the thing is you had to beat the computer. You had to beat it, obviously. Do put booty. Interesting. Yeah. Now they're checking my ass right now. So when you guys play a game, I'll have it installed. If you guys want to install the game, you can do that. This is pretty cool. I guess you guys want to try the game and you want to try it out, see if you like it, and if you like it, you can install it. I'll put she. Yeah, obviously, the dude kicked my ass. So it'll ask you, once you're done with that, it'll ask you if you want to install the game. If you guys want to, you can just hit install and install the game for you. If you don't want to do that, you can also do remix if you guys want to. I will not be doing that for the purpose of this video. So if you guys want to get back to the Play Store, just hit back. And yeah, that's Words with Friends 2. You got Clash Royale. Try this. I never played this game before, so this is pretty interesting. So I guess you gotta fling the shit up on the fling it up here or whatever. Like I said, I have never played this game before, so excuse the bad gameplay here. I really don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but yeah. I'm doing something because something's getting blown up. I'm obviously doing good because it says good job, so I'm obviously doing something right. And as you guys can see right there, yeah, you guys will see install now. If you guys want to install the game, you can go ahead and do that. So. So yeah, that's that. It says install Clash Royale now and get 2 free chests. I'm not gonna do that. I just head back. And I actually do want to cancel or whatever, exit out. Yes, I do. So this is pretty cool. So you guys want to try a game, you can try it out. These games are not the greatest games. It's not graphic intense games or nothing like that. But if you guys want to try them out, you can go ahead and try them out if you guys want to. You do have to play it in portrait mode, so do keep that in mind. And you know, these games are okay, I guess. These are not the best games, like I said. I never played in most of these games. The only game I've really played was Salitiare. Obviously, I'm sure most of you guys have played that game before. It's an old ass game, as you guys know. I never played none of these games before. I played Final Fantasy, but that was like a long time ago on the fucking PlayStation 2 from way back in the day or whatever. That's the last time I played Final Fantasy. So, um, if you guys want to try these games, just go to the Play Store, just find instant gameplay, and you guys should be greeted here with the 6 games to try out. And I'm sure that they'll add more games along the way. But if you guys like the games, you can install them and continue to play the games. If you guys like the games or whatnot. So this is pretty cool, and yeah, just make sure that you guys have instant apps turned on your phone or whatever to make sure it works. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.